Hey everybody, I hope you all had a great spring break week and you were able to relax and have a lot of fun and enjoy spending time with your family. I hope it went really well for you, and I'm excited to kick off another week of e-learning. So e-learning is going to look a little bit different. As you all remember, we were scheduled to go back to school at the beginning of April, and then that has gotten extended out. So our e-learning menus were able to take us to up to spring break. And so the kindergarten team, we all got together via webcam, and we have made some new e-learning boards for you guys. They look a little bit different, and I am hoping that you all will find them to be a lot easier for you guys to complete at home. So let me talk to you guys just a little bit about how this is going to look and what this is going to look like. I know you got a letter from the district office, and I know had a lot of information in it, and it probably was a little bit overwhelming. And so let me simplify what I know at this point and how this is going to look moving forward. So now we are introducing a lot of new content in the end of the third 9 weeks, and in every 9 weeks we always go back and we're reviewing. And so it was easier for us to create content for the other e-learning menus because they were review based and based on things that we'd been learning in the third 9 weeks, and we did exactly what we would do in the classroom, and that's review. But now we're starting the fourth 9 weeks, and obviously we're not in school, and so your student hasn't gotten any of the fourth 9 weeks information taught to them. So it's going to be so important that they're watching these videos and they're completing these e-learning menus, because this is brand new information. Everything else was old review. This is brand new, and it's going to be very important for them to get it, because these are skills that they do need to have and they'll need next year in first grade. So my goal is to be able to create a video for math, reading, writing, science each week as we hit one big topic. And that way your kid can have it for reference and you can have it for reference, and hopefully you'll find that that works for you. As always, I am 100% here for you, and I want to support you and your student the best that I can. So reach out through Dojo, email, however you want. If I need to send a video, do a FaceTime call, do a Zoom, I'm willing to do it and to make sure we're all being really successful. So let me show you what the new e-learning board is going to look like. So as you can see it right here on your screen, this is for the week of the 14th through the 16th, which is this week. So Monday was listed as a snow makeup day. So you guys obviously are getting this information today, but there's no work to be done. And so we'll really kick off our new learning on Tuesday. So if you read here, it's just letting you know about when the board is complete, please send in to Dojo for us. There's some classrooms that use Seesaw, but we use Dojo. So just initial at the end of the week, again on Fridays, just like we have been doing. And then some of these assignments do require them to write and some of them don't. So the assignments that they are required to show work for, if you just take a picture of all of that work and send it in, that way you're only having to send in 2 pictures, which is a lot easier for you and easier for me to check off. But if that system doesn't work for you and you found a system, and we've talked about it, that works, continue doing what you're doing. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. So there are a lot of bit.lys that are links to books and different videos that you're going to find really helpful for your student to watch. As always, Ms. Payne has got some great resources. We have Epic, Raz Kids. Also for math, we want them to be using Dreambox 15 minutes every day. That's what the district is requiring. But again, I know that some of you all might not have the device for that, or you may be trying to balance other things. So please just do your very, very best. There's also a link on here to Khan Academy that is great for anything that we are talking about that you may feel as though I didn't cover enough for your child, or your student needs a little bit more, and they have great resources as well. So this is our e-learning menu, and so it is going to have, this will be available at the school to pick up, and I will put when, the times, and the day in the note at the top here on Dojo. But for now, you can print this off at home if you're able. So we're going to start in math. We're going to start subtraction, and there'll be a subtraction video that you can find. In reading, we're going to be talking about problem and solution. Writing, we're going to work on writing our opinions. And then for science and social studies this week, we are focusing on landforms. So there'll be a video of information for all of those things sent out by me. So be on the lookout for those. Over here at Related Arts, it helps you narrow down which one you want your child to do. So we need to make sure we are completing those for Related Arts teachers as well. Now, as you can see, there are some additional pages. There's some work in here that gives you some help to follow along, since these will be referenced within the e-learning packet. And then these are anchor charts. We would create these in the classroom, and I will create some during some of our video lessons. But these are just extra resources that are going to be here in this packet for you to help your child or for you to let your child reference. This obviously goes into addition and subtraction, some problem solution, writing, and our landforms. And then included in here is going to be the next week, the 20th through the 24th, with more anchor charts. And then we have the week of April 27th to May 1st. Of course, we're all very hopeful that we return to school after that. But again, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. And this has all the different anchor charts. If you find that you need some additional help or you need any other resources, please reach out to me, or when Miss Graham gives you a call, let her know, and we talk every day about what's going on. So just make sure that you're letting somebody know, because we are here for you and we're here to support you. So again, it's very important that your child is completing this menu. It is brand new information, and this will help. If you saw in the packet from the district office or the letter from the district office, that determines your child's grades for the fourth 9 weeks. If you submit the work to me, then your child is going to get a 3 on their report card. If you do not submit the work, your child will get a 1 on their report card. So it is very important that you're completing all the work. We want your child to be successful, and this is a whole new world, a whole new way to learn. But as long as they're getting exposure and they're able to see some of this content, it's going to be so beneficial to them come time for first grade. So again, reach out if you have any questions, and I wanted to just kind of give you guys a brief overview of what e-learning is looking like for this month, the rest of this month. Thanks, guys.